Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to be doing another day in the life. Today is Friday, May the 16th. I have quite a few appointments, things to do, and just again, another typical day in the life of a top producing real estate broker here in Michigan. Thank you so much. Finished up a lot of meetings and phone calls in the office this morning, and we just got to a new construction site that we're doing a home walkthrough, basically orientation and inspection before the closing, which is going to happen next week, Friday afternoon. So we're almost there, and the clients are very excited. We just got to a few properties to look at here in Dearborn, Michigan. Sold my client's home in Taylor, Michigan, so now we need to find them a new home here in Dearborn. All right, so I just got to one of my listings I'm showing to a different client of mine. This was just a beautifully renovated home. It's listed at $185, have a lot of activity. It's going to be sold soon. Here at the next appointment with my other clients looking in the Beverly Hills, Birmingham area. Here with another client in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. Well, unfortunately, I forgot to record my last client of the day in West Bloomfield. We saw a beautiful home, and I'm just pulling up to the gym now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.